Hello everyone, I'm Rashmi. So welcome back to the third class of our Vedic Maths. So in last two classes I have told you about the multiplications by nine. Okay, so we have covered that topic, and if you still have any issue in this topic like multiplication by 9, any when both sides are equal or when multiplicand is less or whatever we have covered, so do write down in the comment section, do let me know, and I'll take another class okay, to solve your query. Okay, so do let me know. Okay, so today we are gonna talk about a different topic. Okay, so our topic for the day is squares. Okay, so here we are gonna cover the topic, the squares that ends with 5. Okay, like how you gotta get the square of 35, 45, 105, like whatever numbers that ends with 5. Okay, so that we are gonna cover. Okay, so are you ready? Are you excited? Yes. So let's go. Okay, so let's take up our first number, and that is 35. Okay, so how do we get 35 square? Okay, so instead of doing that the traditional method, that is 35 into 35, we get a straight away to the two lines are favorite. Okay, so make two lines, and that is LHS and RHS. Now what are you gonna do? Right, this LHS side, just write the first, like here it's 35. Okay, so before 5 the number, that is 3. Okay, now 3 plus 1, 4. So multiply 3 into 4. Okay, and that is 12. Right, and now on the RHS side, what we gotta do, just multiply 5 into 5. Okay, it's very easy. So 5 into 5, right? 25. Okay, now what we gotta do is just combine both, and the answer for 35 square, and that is 1225. That's the answer. Easy. Now let's take another example. Okay, so let's take up another question, and that is 95 square. Okay, so what we gotta do? 95 square. Okay, very easy one. Okay, so we gotta make two lines now from on the LHS side. So what you gotta do is 9 into the next number of this 9. Okay, so next 9 plus 1 is 10, so next number is 10. Okay, so we gotta do 9 into 10, and that is 90. Now next, the RHS side, 5 into 5, that is constant. Okay, that's very easy. So 5 into 5 is 25. Now combine both, so the answer for 95 square is 9025. This is the answer. Okay, easy now. Okay, now up till here we were taking the numbers, which had just one digit. Here before 5 there's just one digit. Now what we gotta do is just take two numbers or three numbers. Okay, a group of that. So how we gonna do this? Now let's see how we gonna do. Okay, so for you, I'm taking two-digit numbers. Before 5, we are taking two digits. Okay, so that is 125. Now, how we gonna find 125 square? Okay, one digit number was very easy, like 75. So 7 into 8, you get a 2. Now, 45, 4 into 5, you get a 2. Right, the next number of the first, the next number after the first digit. Okay, like 2 if we have, so we get a multiply by 3. 4 if we have, multiply by 5. Okay, so now what we have? 12 we have. Now we have to multiply by the next number, and that is 13. Okay, so what we gotta do? 12 into 13. Okay, now don't multiply by the traditional method, like 12 into 13 and all that. What you gotta do is, now here we can use another trick of Vedic maths. What you get to do, now write 12 and below that write 13. Okay, now what you gotta do to make it simple, now we have to multiply first this one, this row. Okay, 2 into 3, that is 6. Okay, first like this, then like cross. Okay, now cross, first like this, then cross, and then this. Okay, so what cross? I mean the cross is this. 1 into 2, 3 into 4, 1. Okay, like this. I'll take another digit so you won't be confused. Okay, so we'll take. Okay, now here because both this line is same. Okay, 1 1 they carry. Okay, so you may be you may get confused, like we can straight away multiply like this. Okay, it's not like that. You have to multiply like a cross. Okay, maybe if we had 4 over here and 5 over here, so what you get to do is 2 into 5 and 4 into 3. Like this, we have to multiply, like a cross in a cross. Okay, so do remember this method. Okay, so now multiply by this. This is 2 and this is 3. Very easy one. 1 multiply by any digit. Okay, so this is 3 and this is 1. What you get to do is plus. Add both the sum of these multiplications, and that is 2 plus 3. So 2 plus 3 is 5. Now write down 5. Now here we have to multiply, then this. Okay, this line. So 1 into 1, that is 1. So you get 156 as the answer, okay, of 12 into 3. Easy. Okay, now let's take up the RHS one, and that is our simple 5 into 5, the 25. Okay, now combine both these. Okay, what you get? The answers, and that is LHS and RHS, I mean. So your answer for 125 square is 15625. 15625. That's your answer. Okay, hope you are able to get it and you aren't confused. Okay, we'll take another example. Okay, now let's take up another example, and that is 255 square. Okay, now what are we gonna do? 255. Now make the two lines, and that is LHS and RHS. Okay, and now write the LHS one. That is 25 into 26. Next number is 26. So we gotta multiply them. Okay, so 25 into 26. Now again we are practicing this. Okay, so I've taken another same one. Okay, first it is same here also. Okay, I'll take different in next next example we'll take another. Okay, and first digits won't be same. Okay, this time it's same. Okay, let it be. Okay, let's practice. Okay, now so what are we gonna do from here? This type. Okay, the line one, first line multiplication. Okay, so this, when we get to multiply these numbers, okay, this line we get to multiply. Okay, so what we get? 5 into 6, what is it? 30, right? 30. 5 into 6 is 30. Now write 0. Okay, 0 and 3 will be carry forward. Okay, do remember. Okay, the like here 30 was there, so the last digit we get to write, the first one we will move forward. The same happens in multiplication. Okay, in traditional multiplication, how we do. Okay, so the same rule applies here also. Okay, so this 3 will be carry forward. Now 2 into 6 and 5 into 2, so that is 12 and 10, so we get 22. A lot of 2's. Okay, so now add 3 because it was carry forward, right? So 3 is 25, right? So write 5 here and 2 will be carry forward, right? Now 2 into 2, we first multiplied like this, then cross, then like this. Okay, so when we multiply this, we get 2 into 2 is 4. So 4 plus 2 is 6, right? So 6 here. Now the answer, the LHS part is 650. And RHS, we all know, that is 25. Okay, so now let's combine both to get the answer of 255 square. So 255 square is 65025. 65025. That's the answer of 255. Okay, go and check, and we'll take another example. Okay, so to clear up your confusion, what I have done is I have taken 395 square. Sorry, 395 square. Let's do this. Okay, so cos 39, the next number will be 40. Okay, so we have to multiply 39 by 40. Okay, so all your doubts will be over. Okay, now all numbers are different, right? Okay, now for 395 square, what we get to do is then make LHS and RHS one. Okay, first, then 39 into 40. Okay, now what we get, 39 into 40, right? What we get to do, first multiply this row. Okay, so straight, this straight, then cross, then straight. Okay, so first like this, so this is 9 into 0, and that is 0. Okay, now then this, the cross one, and that is 3 into 0, 9 into 4. I guess now all your confusions are over. Okay, so now you know how you have to multiply. Okay, this only method you have to use. Okay, now 3 into 0 is 0. Now what is 9 into 4? 36, right? Okay, now what we gotta do is write 6 and carry forward is 3, right? I told you, okay, earlier. Okay, now 3 is carry forward. Now what we get to multiply this line, okay, and that is 4 into 3, 12, right? So 12 plus 3, that is 15. Okay, so we get 1560 as LHS. Okay, now what we gotta do is combine both these numbers. What we get, LHS and RHS. Okay, now combining both, we get 156025. So the answer for 395 square, the answer is 156025. That's the answer. Hope you are able to enjoy this and you're able to learn this. Back when I wasn't able to, I wasn't knowing these tricks. Seriously, I used to think that maths is the most boring subject. And it's like, why it's in our syllabus? Like, seriously, I was like burnt out. I was pissed from this. But after I was introduced with these tricks, with Vedic maths, it was such a relief. Like, seriously, all those, this type of multiplication, like, seriously, if you gotta do this multiplication with the traditional one that we used to learn in our schools, the 395, like that big multiplication, the traditional one, I don't know how much time it will take. It's annoying, like, seriously, that multiplication, those tips, tricks and all that, whatever it is, that's tips, I just don't like it. I hope you are like me, and now I hope you are able to enjoy these tricks, learning these tricks, because it's like very important. It's not like it's not just for your school, college, wherever you are studying. It's also for yourself. You feel confident when you have something, like when a person is like saying, okay, so you get bill of like 395 and 3 whatever, like this, blah blah blah, and you are able to get the answer, calculate that in seconds. Your self confidence boosts up. So it's not for your school to get good marks or like to score well. It's not just limited over there. It's for your overall development. So Vedic maths, it's not just maths. It's also a personality builder. It's also a confidence booster. So it's bigger than what we think. Okay, so you get to feel that when you have that knowledge, you use it, you are able to use it. So you get that confidence within you. Okay, you feel that you are something. Okay, so it's for that. Okay, and I'm teaching to improve maybe your personality, your confidence. Maybe I'll be able to improve that, I hope. Okay, so okay, we are not just learning Vedic maths but also learning how to build our confidence. Okay, so how to not be dependent on the calculator, because it's really annoying. People nowadays, even though I have seen, kids doing even simple calculation like 12 into 13, like very simple, very basic. They use calculator, not the calculator, the which the app which is in our mobile, okay, phones. So they use that, and I don't think so it's right. At such a young age, I think you should do that mentally. And if you have that practice, that skill to calculate things right since your young age, so after that, when you grow up, you will have that confidence. And calculation is very important. Calculation is needed everywhere. You go to a grocery store, whether you go to a mall, whether you go to a to be an engineer, whether you get to go anywhere, any part of the world, calculation is very important. So I don't think so being dependent on these apps or calculators or anything, it's a good idea. I don't think so. If it's for you, go ahead, but I don't think so it's a good idea. So I think with the calculator, I think you should know, you should be dependent on yourself, not any calculator, because at the end of the day, it's you what matters, right? So you should be dependent on yourself, not any artificial intelligence. Okay, so okay, let's skip that talk and let's take up another example. Okay, I was actually thinking to introduce the three digit multiplication with you. Okay, like we did the 2-digit multiplication. Like when we have to, then we have to first multiply the right one, then the cross, then the left one. So that's what I was thinking to introduce, 3-digit. Then I later on thought that it will be really confusing for you to handle both these tricks in the same day. Okay, so you'll get burned out, and I don't want you to give up on this. So I thought to save it for our next class. Okay, so let's take up a very, very, very damn easy one. Okay, so this is 99,995 square. Okay, so how do we get to multiply this? This is very easy. 99, the next number is 100. So what do you get? 99 into 100. That is 9900. And same, 5 to 5 for RHS 25. Now 995 square is 990025. It's damn easy, right? Okay, so you get to do like this. And okay, let's take up more examples. Okay, so rather than taking examples, I thought to give you homework. Okay, so this is your homework. So first one is 45 square. What's the answer? Second is 125 square. Find the answer. Now third and the last one is 105 square. Okay, so you have to find the answers and to write down in the comment section. And if you still have any issue regarding this, the 5 multiplication, the squares or the multiplication method which I taught you, like the right hand side and the cross one, then the left hand side. Okay, so if you have any type of query, any confusion, so do write down in the comment section. And even if you have the question regarding the multiplication by 9 topic, okay, so do write down in the comment section and I'll let you know the answers of these questions soon in the description box. So till then, practice, because in the next class we're gonna take another topic, so you get a bit left behind if you won't practice, and these are very important. And to learn the multiplication, the basic one, I mean, like it should be on your tips, like what is 4 into 5, what is 9 into 8, 7 into 7, like this. Okay, this type of multiplication, if you would have that grip on these simple multiplications, so you'll be able to get the answers of these questions even faster. Okay, so if you want that the quickness, if you want, so do practice a lot. And from like 2 to 10, at least 2 to 9, I mean, sorry, 2 to 9, so you get to learn the tables. Okay, I know you have learned it, but it's like, it's not, if it's not like this, what is 6 into 4, like if it's not like this, if you still calculate, okay, 6 into 1 is this, 6 into 2 is this, 6 into 3 is this. Okay, so it will take a bit longer. It's not like you'll take hours. Okay, so but if you want to speed up your calculation, so then it's important to learn those. Okay, revise or learn, whatever you want to do. Okay, so whatever it is with you, so do that. Okay, have that grip, make that grip on these numbers, multiplication, I mean the basic multiplication. Okay, so that's all for today. Okay, stay tuned to learn more tips and tricks. I mean the Vedic maths. Okay, so we'll meet in the next class. Until then, practice and do write the answers in the comment section, and do it show up with your friends to build up your confidence. Okay. Okay, till then, bye bye. See you in the next class. Bye.